Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in grilling and outdoor cooking accessories. In today's video, we're taking a close look at one of the best Pit Boss covers for smokers, the Pit Boss 5 Series Wood Pellet Vertical Smoker Cover. If you're a Pit Boss smoker owner, this cover could be just what you need to keep your equipment in top shape. Now, if you're a proud Pit Boss smoker owner, you know how important it is to protect your smoker from the elements. Whether it's rain, sun, or dirt, you want to make sure your smoker stays clean and functional for years to come. The Pit Boss 5 Series smoker cover is designed specifically to protect your 5 Series vertical wood pellet smoker. With a custom-tailored fit, this cover provides full coverage, so you can rest easy knowing that your smoker is safe from the weather, dust, and even those pesky UV rays. Constructed from heavy-duty polyester with a PVC backing, the cover offers excellent durability. Polyester is known for its ability to resist water and other weather-related damage, making it a great choice for an outdoor product like this. The PVC backing adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring your smoker stays dry and free from rust or corrosion. Whether it's a rainy day or the scorching sun, this cover will protect your smoker so that it can continue to deliver the amazing flavors you love. One of the standout features of the Pit Boss 5 Series cover is its drawstring closure. This allows for a secure fit that won't blow off in the wind. The drawstring is easy to adjust, so you can make sure the cover fits snugly around your smoker, giving it the perfect amount of protection without any hassle. And when it's time to clean the cover, it's as easy as rinsing it off with water or wiping it down with a damp cloth and mild detergent. It's that simple. In addition to the robust material and excellent fit, this cover comes with a sleek black finish, complete with the Pit Boss logo, adding a touch of style to your outdoor space. It's not just about protection, it's about keeping your smoker looking great too. So, if you're looking for a smoker cover that will keep your Pit Boss 5 Series vertical smoker safe from the elements, this is a great choice. It offers all the protection you need with the convenience of an easy-to-use design. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Happy grilling!